With the junior final. Shearing for sheep. Timekeepers ready. Judges ready. Shearers go. So away we go in the big junior final here today in Stafford County Show. We've got David Jays on one. Ivan Davis on stand number two. Stanley Hibbert on stand number three. And Gethin Jones on stand number four. So two Welshmen and two Englishmen up there, ladies and gentlemen. And who's the first to show? Young Stanley Hibbert, the first up the neck. It looks like he's got an absolute flyer of a mule hog. Who's the closest to him? Ivan Davis is right behind the ears, right there with it, blow for blow on stands 2 and 3 in the middle. Gethin Jones is right there with them. David Jays is having a bit of a kick and a wriggle as he tries to break that neck wall open. Plenty of life in these mule yearlings. David Jays is going round into that first front shoulder. He drops it down into that first front shoulder and the rest of the field. They're turning for home on sheep number one. Down that last side comes Stanley Hibbert, Ivan Davis and Gethin Jones together. But it looks like it's going to be Ivan Davis to go in for sheep number 2 first.
But just behind the results for the open finalists. The top qualifier, Stuart Connor, Alan Lloyd-Jones, Dean Nelms and Adam Berry. So Stuart Connor, Alan Lloyd-Jones, Dean Nelms and Adam Berry will be in that open final. The local host is in 6th position.
But he made it look real good, ladies and gentlemen. So then how far are we along with the junior final? Up the neck goes Gethin Jones, already been made on that. It's Ivan Davis out in front, ladies and gentlemen. The man on stand number 2. Stanley Hibbert's trying to slice that neck wall open with his handpiece. It's pretty tough up around the neck, some of these mule hogs. But Ivan Davis is turning for home on sheep number 2. On stand number 2, ladies and gentlemen, coming out of that side. Cleans off onto that last front shoulder. And down into the flank and out the hind leg. Goes Ivan there on stand number 2. Couple more blows and a flick around the tail. And he goes in for sheep number 3. Who's the closest to him? Oh, Gethin Jones, he's already been in for sheep number 3 there, Hugh.
Yeah, so Gethin then has got his 3rd sheep out on the board. You got 1 sheep left in that pen. Stanley Hibbert down the last side on 2. Ivan Davis is up the end of the mine on sheep number 3. And the man there on stand number 1, David Jays, goes around the top of the tail and into the pen he'll go for sheep number 3. But already then, the Welshmen both go up the neck together. They drop round into that front shoulder. Ivan Davis is dropping down to the long blows. Gethin Jones is around the shoulder. But it's Ivan now then as he swings that last long sweeping long blow. 1 sheep left in that final, in that pen. And he'll come out with his 4th and final sheep. Down the last side he comes. Round the top of the tail. 1 last little bit of a flick. And out goes Ivan Davis. In he goes for sheep number 4, 4th and final. Out onto the pen for Ivan. And now we got the rest of the field now then, working away. Remember, it's not all about the speed. The quality is very, very important. Gethin Jones finishes 3, goes in for 4. Stanley Hibbert, long low time on 3. David Jays down the last side on 3. But already up and round behind that sheep's ears. is the man on stand number 2 then, Evan Davis. Long blow time for him. He's leading the field on the speed. He'd love to take this prize back to Wales and James.
Yeah, these Welsh boys, they love coming into these English shows and taking the prize home. Something like the Englishmen used to go into the valleys and take the Welsh ladies home. So the Welsh boys are here to get a bit of revenge now, ladies and gentlemen. And Ethan Davis is really going for it as he comes down that last side into that flank he goes. I'm just going to keep talking and not let Hugh get his own back on me. Right behind leg goes Ethan Davis with a couple more blows and a flick around the tail. And he'll have his time taken there, ladies and gentlemen. There goes Ethan Davis in a big junior final. He's the first time his time taken. Where's Gethin Jones then? Out goes Gethin then. So the 2 Welshmen are first to finish. Stanley Iverson to the undermine of sheet number 4. And David J's up there on stand number 1. He's coming down the last side of sheet number 4. Out the hind leg he goes. And a couple more blows and a flick around the tail. And he'll have his time taken, ladies and gentlemen. Out goes David J's there. Give him a round of applause as they finish, ladies and gentlemen.